Namaste, good morning. Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. Today I am going to speak about medical sciences and astrology, the lungs and its functions and diseases related to lungs. The air enters the body mainly through the nostrils, but sometimes through the mouth. We have three nadis: Ida echa Chandra, Pingla echa Bhaskara, Sushupna. Ida is our left nostrils, Pingla is our right nostrils. Normally we are drinking the polluted water, eating contaminated food, breathing polluted air. The air is polluted by the motor vehicles and the factories which send their poisonous smoke to the atmosphere. The plants can only remove the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They manufacture food with the help of carbon dioxide and light from the sun. The light from the sun and water they produce in the principles of photosynthesis. Our lungs has lakhs of pores of sponge, like sponge. The nostrils led into the nasal cavity, which opens up in the skull and joins with the pharynx, part of the throat, towards the rear. The pharynx is short funnel air, but lower down food and liquids also travel through the larynx home to the vocal cords, joins the pharynx to the windpipe, trachea. A loose flap of cartilage and epiglottis lies just above the larynx and blocks it off during the swallowing to prevent food and liquids entering the trachea. The trachea splits into two airways called primary bronchi, one of which enters the right lung and the other the left lung. Each bronchus divides further into secondary and tertiary bronchi and eventually into the tiny bronchus. The continuous branching is referred to as the bronchial tree. Drop within the pairs, cone-shaped lungs, exchange of gases take places. Breathing. The movements of the breathing, also known as bodily respiration, bring fresh air containing oxygen deep into the lungs and then removes stale containing the waste products carbon dioxide. So the physical movement of the air into and out of the lungs is generated by differences in pressure within the lungs compared to the surroundings atmosphere present forcefully expanding the chest and lungs by muscular action, and then passively allowing them to return to their former size, produce the pressure differences. The rate and depth of the breathing can be consciously modified. However, the underlying driver to breathing can be consciously modified. However, the underlying drive to breathe is controlled by areas within the brain stem, where response to regulate the breathing muscles, of which we are usually not aware, occur according to the level of the carbon dioxide and in the blood. Inhalation, the chest muscles, and in respiration at rest are the diaphragm at the base of the chest and the external intercostals between the ribs for forceful inhalation, and additional muscles assist in moving the ribs and sternum to expand the chest further and stretch the lungs even more. Exhalation, breathing out is largely passive, like a stretch classic band. The enlarged lungs recoil and shrink when the diaphragm, intercostals, and other inhalation muscles relax, and abdominal pressure pushes the diaphragm upward. Forced expiration brings further muscles into play to actively compress the lungs beyond their usual resting volumes. The the asthma, one of the complicated disease which cause asthma to breathe is very difficult. Those who are suffering asthma, there are different types of asthma will come. The sun in the ascendant aspect by Mars causes asthma. The allergy also creates asthma. Planet in sixth house aspects by Malefic or hemmed between Malefic causes asthma. Ascendant aspected by Mars and Saturn causes asthma. Sun, if being the lord of the string houses, conjunct or aspect by Saturn causes asthma. The fourth house is very important. Fourth house, according to Kalapurusha, fourth house is Cancer. Murda, Asya, Gela, Skanda, Hridaya, Udara, Vasti, Desha, Vyani, Padu, Janu, Jange. According to the fourth house, rules the chest. Sun, Jupiter, Saturn in the fourth house develop asthma. Rahu in fourth house and lorded of the ascendant afflicted causes asthma. Venus in 12th and 4th house both afflicted cause asthma. Rahu or Ketu or Saturn in the 8th aspects on conjoined with the Malefic causes asthma. If the ascendant is aspected by Mars and Saturn, asthma will be developed. A planet in the 6th house aspects or conjunct with Malefic or is hemmed between Malefic causes asthma. 6th house, Aradi Rogatyam Aradi Nado Mridishuro Mrityabhayangarodi Shashtam Dwadisham Ashtamanjamanayo Bhavana Manishtan Vidu. 6th house, normally all diseases are caused by the 6th house. Planets in the 6th house. The ascendant also will be very important. Ascendant is the body or our health. The power of the ascendant, that will be the depends upon the health. Health is wealth. Ascendant aspect by Mars and Saturn results asthma, the two malefic planets. The 8th house, moon with Mars causing asthma. Malefics in the fourth Lord ascendant with Rahu in eighth will cause asthma. Sun in ascendant aspected by Mars cause asthma. Lord of the ascendant, that is Laknadiva, with Venus in malefic houses, and if fourth house is afflicted causes asthma. If Sun as a Lord of the trine house conjunct or aspected by Saturn causes asthma. Sun and Saturn, the Saturn is the son of Sun, but both are enemies. The Sun is the Karaga of Vayu, Saturn is the Karaga of Vayu. Then the breathing main element is oxygen. The Sun as the Lord of the trine house conjunct or aspected by Saturn causes asthma. The Sun, Jupiter, Saturn in the fourth house causes asthma. The fourth house is very important. Fourth house has malefic. Either the Mars with the moon, the person may have asthma. Rahu and Ketu in 6 or 12 causes asthma. The afflicted Venus in 12th house and 4th house also afflicted cause asthma. Rahu or Ketu or Saturn in 8th aspects or conjunct with malefic causes asthma. Asthma is a complicated disease. During the mainly the asthma expands when the depends upon the power of the moon. During the Amavasya days and the Paurnami days, the water level will be increased by the attraction of the moon. Then the asthma persons have suffer a lot. Ascendant Lord and Venus in 6, 8, 12 house results in tuberculosis that also affected in the lungs. So similarly, moon is the Karaga of mind and blood, and also the moon is nearer to earth and it rotates around the earth during the Amavasya days and new moon and full moon day. The attraction of the moon and the earth will come under one line, and the power of the attraction will be more. In our body has 75% of water, so the water related to asthma also will be caused difficulties to the person. So that during that period the asthma persons have to take more care, and they have to practice the Yoga Shastra can prevent the asthma. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow with the same time with another subject, medical sciences and astrology, the same subject with different subjects. Thank you very much.